Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. In today's video, we're going to take a close look at the Powerextra Pro 2-pack controller for PS3, which promises to enhance your gaming experience in every way. Let's start by unboxing the Powerextra Pro PS3 controllers and see what's inside the package. As we open the box, we're greeted with not one, but two controllers. Perfect for multiplayer gaming sessions. The controllers have a unique graffiti design, adding a cool and stylish touch to your gaming setup. Initial impressions. These controllers feel lightweight yet sturdy, and the design is eye-catching. The Powerextra Pro controllers offer DualShock functionality, which means you'll feel every explosion, shock, and shot in supported games. They are compatible with both PS3 and PC gaming platforms. A USB cable is included for PC connection. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even during long gaming sessions, making them suitable for both kids and adults. These controllers feature a stable Bluetooth connection with a range of over 8 meters. The built-in rechargeable battery ensures you won't need to constantly replace batteries. The 360-degree positioning with ultra-precision and highly sensitive motion control system adds realism to your gaming experience. The Powerextra Pro controllers come equipped with a highly sensitive motion control system, offering intuitive gameplay through motion-sensitive 6-axis technology. Characters and objects in the game will move and react as you tilt, push, and shake the controller. The battery life on these controllers is impressive, allowing for extended gaming sessions without interruption. Each package includes 2 charging cables, ensuring you'll always have a way to keep your controllers powered up. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at what some users have to say about these controllers. Overall, the user feedback has been positive, with many praising the ease of setup and the quality of gameplay. Some users have noted that the controllers feel lighter than the original PS3 controllers, but this hasn't affected their performance. In conclusion, the Powerextra Pro 2-pack controller for PS3 offers a fantastic gaming experience with its DualShock functionality, Bluetooth connectivity, and ergonomic design. Whether you're gaming on a PS3 or a PC, these controllers have you covered. The graffiti-inspired design adds a unique touch to your gaming setup, and the motion-sensing technology adds a new level of immersion to your gameplay. That's it for today's review of the Powerextra Pro PS3 controllers. If you're interested in upgrading your gaming experience, these controllers are definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.